Sorry guys, that's about all the riding we can do. As you can see by the last clip of the old man, we still got a lot of snow here, man.
It'll get nice. We'll be able to do another one later soon.
Yeah, but that was just a cool little drift, kind of mess around kind of video. We're going over to the shop to see how Project Kawasaki 650 is going.
Yeah, we haven't really been recording too much of it, to be honest.
No,
it's been kind of hard to record it.
Yeah, and we haven't. It's not been like an everyday type thing. It's like tackle it when you can, when no one's busy. But got the bad engine out, and we'll see how far the old man's come.
I'd like to get it done before spring hits, though.
Yep. So we'll just go do an update for you guys, and we'll see you out there. They're looking pretty bare. What he does, he's got the engine right there, Code. Look at that big son of a bitch.
That one or the good one?
This is the bad one. This is the original Kawasaki right here. So guys, here's the bad engine. There's the good engine right over there. That engine's going in here. I think old man said he was gonna tear into this and see exactly what's wrong with it. And maybe it's salvageable to put into the shittier Kawasaki over there.
2 Prairies.
Could have 2 Prairies, but that's literally best case scenario.
Be nice to get a quad for $200, really, not?
What is more actual is that this engine's probably just gonna be like a parts.
More than likely.
Be like a parts. And this will be a roller as parts. And this one will be really good. But yeah, that's kind of cool. They're both pretty freaking bare, man.
Long ways to go yet.
So that's
the easy part's done. It's just the teardown part was.
Yeah.
Now it's put everything back together.
Yep, that's gonna be the kind of the hard part. Is we're not mechanics, so.
I mean, this is the biggest project any of us have done on a quad in a really, really long time.
It'll be kind of exciting if everything turns out, though.
We've never tackled anything this big before, so.
Well, boys, thought the video was over. It's a couple hours later.
Not done yet.
And we're following the old man, as you can see right there.
He wants to keep working on the Kawasaki, so.
Yep, and we figured we'd help him put the engine in because almost sliced his finger off doing it himself, so. Not done yet.
It's pretty bandaged up. It'll be exciting to. So we haven't really recorded very much of it, so finally able to get a little bit of it this time.
Show him the battle wound, old man. You being tough guy getting this engine all out by yourself.
You don't ask for help. Never ask a guy for help.
If I can get it myself, I'll freaking do it.
I'm impressed, don't get me wrong, but
That's not too bad, it'll grow back. It's fucking dirtier than son of a bitch. So.
That can't be that good for it either.
Get a little fucking dirt underneath there. Yeah. That's cool. It's supposed to go up and down. Fucking clutch is just shot. Right there, good there.
Yeah. So this is a bad engine, guys.
Been,
bad engine.
It's got 7,400 miles on that fucking clutch. I never freaking done a clutch.
Yeah. That's pretty good.
It's pretty fucking good, really, but you guys should have probably done it a while back. Okay, boys. Watch your fingers. I wouldn't pick up by the clutch in case it turns on you. There you go. There you go. A little heavy. A little heavy.
Heavier than my ex-wife.
Not bad with 2 people.
No, that's not bad.
Okay, now bring the other one over here, boys.
Okay.
Help the old man out a little bit. Grab by the fucking shaft, Code. Hit fucking.
Go back for a shot.
Got the old unsightly one on there, Code. Boys are struggling. Boys are fucking struggling.
Oh, I don't have a fucking grip on it.
I don't have a fucking grip on it.
Oh, we got it over.
Oh man, I can fucking do it. It's too hard. Cody, what we need to do is just kind of should actually jack it up and just get it on this part right here. Then I need to this fucking shaft. Anyway. Okay.
All you had to do is get a little pissed off at the camera. You got her, man. You got her.
She's in, but she's not. I gotta try to squeeze on the fucking drive shaft now. That
was a pretty tough part, though, man.
She ain't light. She's a fucking moose.
It is a moose.
Yeah, we got the motor in.
Oh, so candy.
And we got the front motor mount in, too, so that's a plus.
Yeah, that was good.
What was about
She,
That was a 3-man job.
she came together good. Not bad.
Hell yes.